Hey guys, Urban Gardener here, and I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of the Traxxas. Charges 2 batteries at once, 100 watts, 8 amp, easy peak dual, NiMh Lipo dual fast charger AC input. It recognizes Traxxas ID batteries to automatically program and optimize the charger settings. So what's cool about this is it has that Traxxas ID system. So if you do plug in a Traxxas ID battery, like the one I have here, this one happens to be the 3-cell 5,000 milliamp Lipo from Traxxas. If you plug this particular battery into this charger, it automatically recognizes it, and all you have to do is hit start. It does the same thing with a Traxxas nickel metal hydride ID battery. I do have a couple of those coming, but they're not here in time for the video, and I wanted to do the unboxing of this charger for you guys. So when you open it up, and there it is, the Traxxas Easy Peak Dual. Simple as that. We'll pull it out here, and right underneath there is the charger instructions. I'm going to go ahead and put the box down. All right, so let me go ahead and unravel the cord real quick. Okay, I've got the cord unraveled, so let me go ahead and plug it in and just give you guys a little idea of how it works here. This particular battery is already charged, so I'm not going to put it on again, but I just wanted to show you how it works. So first thing it does is it gives you the little signal that it's on. Then let's go ahead and plug the battery in. I'm just not going to charge it, but you can see how it IDs the battery. So you just plug in your battery here, and as you see, it automatically recognized it as a Lipo. It put on the balanced charge, and all I really have to, oh, and it also set it up for the charging amps for this particular battery. So now if it did need a charge, all I'd have to do is go ahead and hit the start button. And what's cool is you can go ahead and charge one battery at a full 8 amps, or you can put 2 batteries on at once and charge 2 batteries at once. The other thing that this particular charger does is you can charge a Lipo on one side and a nickel metal hydride on the other side, which is pretty nice. So if I wanted to, I could charge up a Lipo for my / 4x4 Ultimate right here with the VXL in it, while I'm charging up a nickel metal hydride for my little Rustler here. And say I gave the Rustler to my daughter Rose, she could drive it a little bit slower and a little bit more in control, whereas Daddy could get really rough and wild and go to town with his / 4x4 Ultimate with the Valinian system in it. Really like that system. And then also Daddy might want to, break out the good old Rockstar. But this, however, does not take the Traxxas batteries. So with that, we got to go with the good old Activator Sport that I've had for a long time, but it still works, still gets the job done. So just a quick little unboxing and review of the Easy Peak Dual 8 amp from Traxxas with the ID system. With that, keep happy stay stoned and urban garden, guys.